It's Bigelow, nigga. Fuck you talking about, boy. And why like boys going the same? Why they go ham like that, man? That's all I wanna know. Whoop whoop, why don't why like boys go ham like that? Whoop whoop, why don't why like boys go ham like that? Whoop whoop, why don't why like boys go ham like that? Go ham like that, pussy. I'm on my big wop shit, man. You know me, man. King Coon. It's the mixtape for a nigga. You know what I mean? Robbing shit. Let me pepper my wings, broke ass nigga, you know? Shout out my stylist, man. Shout out the whole team, though, man. Vonnie Baby, I see you. Kelly Baby, Bug, Rolly. Alright, for real. I'ma turn up on this verse, though, on my big wop shit. Leg work, nigga, put in leg work. If you got that 30, fuck nigga, shoot that head first. I don't wanna fuck, I want head first. Shorty talking about bed first? You better fucking really beg first. Cause my niggas kill a beat, boy no rehearse. Dumb ass nigga, I'm taking off in that vert. Hurt told me hit him where it hurt. Smoking on that ganja perk for these niggas, man. Man, I shoot your ass where you stand from the land. I'm 100 grand, fuck nigga, fuck what you saying. Smoking dope, boy, put it in the air. I resign, I'm a fucking player. Pull a chair, young low, put the smoke in the air. Ballin' baby, I'm in here. Fuck niggas over there, some fuck niggas over there. 30 dicks out over here. And my niggas, boy, when we hit the scene, host chill. And I'm in this bitch sippin' lean, I do it pure. Mix it with the fucking Zanny. I put this shit on Manny. I'ma take my spot to the grannies, man. These fuck niggas can't stand me, but I'm going in. I got that 30 popper and I can't go. Mr. Fresh nigga in the Kango. Mr. Fresh nigga in the Kango. Once again, lean tastes like Mumbos. I feel like Kelly. Shit boy get scary and I'm shitting pose like Belly. I get scary like Belly. Put the move all in your bitch Kelly. Woo, 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 woo. Boy, get scary on Manny, on Granny. These fuck niggas can't stand me. And I'm smoking on that ganja pack, that took shit. Can't get mad, can't even get a puff, nigga. I buff a nigga, no buff, nigga. My shit stay and it's musty. MC Hammer can't touch me. These fuck niggas, they hate. Yo, bitch boy wanna rape me. Young low guy that catching babies. All my bars amazing, man. These niggas hate me. Turn up, man. My bars so crazy, 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 crazy. Leg work, I had to put in leg work. 2 for the 5, get your dummy bags, hit them where it hurt. Kill a verse, yellow in that verse, smoking on that ganja. Mad Max on shot till I pop ya. My niggas done died, as you niggas bench warmers. And word on the block, you working with the informers. Keep it real, boy, I kill a beat. Every time, every wine, sipping on red wine. These niggas, baby niggas, boy, they love the wine. When I step out, you know I gotta shine. Robbie Fit, PRP, boy, we stayin' those. If you think the shit sweet, you get laid in those. Young low, and he stacking up his chip Legos. Smoking dope, man, I need all the coins, but you know, wild life you can't join. Wild life, we in this bitch. Sticking over more annoyance, feed your bitch meat, more annoyance, and I'm in this bitch oink oink, nigga like a pig though, and this shit straight real, shooting at your wig though, and I take your ass out, no need for my kin folks. Keep it real, these niggas don't drill. And I turn up like I'm off a pill, boy. I'm so for real, wildin' in the mill, but I'm from the rack, phone them cutting necks. And I'm in this bitch, cool, baby Kelly, triple threat. Fuck it, we some vets, can't forget grip. Vonnie, boy, you bout a homie, short you out like Pilates. And you know I'm in the party, phone them out the molly. Niggas can't stop me. Young low, calm down. But the niggas I'm around. Fuck nigga, I'ma pop you down. 30 with the dick out. Man, these niggas think it's sweet. They done took fit out. Damn. I'm still on that hunt. Still on the chase. Let me find out. I'm running with your face. Like Kelly say, crack 'em like a chase card. And you know I'm in this bitch. Move rock hard when I get on the beat. I'm so excited. Man, your bitch on the move. Yeah, she say she like it. I'm so cold, so cocky. You ain't know. Poor foe with your hoe. She butter me for sure. Yo, low.